Still spending time rekeying documents, chasing approvals, and worrying about data accuracy? In today's fast-moving business world, weak controls and manual approvals don't just slow you down, they put your business at risk. Introducing our latest SQL Document Approval Workflows. This powerful feature is designed to help businesses save valuable time for document creators, ensure compliance with internal controls, provide clear accountability through role-based authorization, maintain accurate financial and stock records, less rework, less risk, higher efficiency. SQL Document Approval Workflows apply to sales, purchase, stock, and production documents. Documents are automatically routed for manager approval based on defined user roles, while a detailed audit trail provides full visibility into approval status, actions taken, and accountability at every stage. User access control and authorization. Now let's see how SQL Document Approval Workflows work. Meet Amy, a newly joined staff member. To strengthen internal control, Amy is not allowed to override customer credit control, save documents with negative quantity, override acceptable transaction date. As a manager, you can configure these access rights under Maintain User Access Control. Under Customer, untick Override Customer Credit Control. Under Stock, untick Save on Negative Quantity. Under Tools, untick Override Acceptable Transaction Date. With these access controls in place, whenever any of these situations occur, Amy's documents must go through manager approval. Manager level control. For managers, full access rights are granted. Managers can further strengthen internal control by disabling bypass draft status when saving documents. Once disabled, all documents will be saved as drafts and must be approved before completion. This ensures every critical transaction is reviewed, without slowing down daily operations. Daily operations in action. Now let's see how it works across daily operations. XYZ company requests a quotation for 50 chairs. Amy creates a new quotation, fills in the required details, and clicks Save. With the bypass draft status when saving documents setting enabled, the quotation is automatically saved as a draft, pending approval. At this point, Amy has two options. Send an online approval request instantly via WhatsApp or email, or wait for the manager to review and approve later. Switching to the manager's view. Once approved, the sales manager confirms the item pricing, and the quotation is ready to be sent to the customer, ensuring pricing accuracy and proper control. Credit control. After reviewing the quotation, XYZ company confirms the order and requests a sales order. Amy creates a new sales order by transferring from the approved quotation. Please note, only approved documents are eligible for transfer. When saving, the system immediately performs a real-time validation check and detects that the customer has exceeded their credit limit, so the sales order is saved as a draft. Switching to the manager's view, the manager is then able to review the sales order with full visibility, including order details, customer credit status, risk exposure. From here, the manager can approve or reject the sales order with confidence, ensuring strong credit control and reduced financial risk. Stock control. Once approved, it's time for delivery. Amy creates a new delivery order by transferring from the approved sales order. If the system detects a zero stock balance or stock below the reorder level, the delivery order is automatically saved as a draft, and no stock quantity is deducted to prevent incorrect stock movements. Stock will only be deducted after the manager approves the delivery order, ensuring accurate inventory records, proper stock authorization, stronger inventory control at all times, financial control. Now, let's move to the final stage, invoicing. Amy creates a new invoice by transferring from the approved delivery order. If the system detects that the transaction date falls outside the acceptable range, or if the user does not have the bypass draft status when saving documents access, the invoice is automatically saved as a draft. While the invoice remains in draft status, account posting is not allowed, and e-invoice submission is restricted. Once the finance team completes the necessary checks and approvals, the invoice can then be posted to accounts and submitted as an e-invoice, ensuring full compliance and financial control. Audit trail and approval tracking. To monitor all approval activities, simply open the invoice browser and enable the status and status date field. At a glance, you can instantly identify whether a document is pending, approved, or rejected. By hovering over the status indicator, you gain access to a detailed approval audit trail, including approval date and time, authorized personnel, actions taken at each stage. Pending and rejected documents are clearly highlighted, enabling managers to quickly prioritize follow-ups and stay fully in control of approval tasks with minimal effort. Here's a quick summary of the approval workflow. You can screenshot this and keep it for future reference. Work faster, control better, approve smarter. That's SQL Document Approval Workflow.